Disney's new robot is a cartoon came to life. Imagine a robot that can move like a Disney character with the same expressiveness and grace. A robot that can interact with humans naturally and engagingly. A robot that can learn and adapt to new situations. Well, that robot is now a reality. Disney has developed new AI robots that are so advanced they're almost too good to be true. In this video, we will take a closer look at Disney's new AI robots. We'll see how they work, what they can do, and what the future holds for this groundbreaking technology. Disney's new AI robots are incredibly advanced, capable of moving and expressing themselves in unprecedented ways. This can potentially revolutionize the entertainment industry, creating new and innovative experiences for park visitors. The robots are powered by a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning, allowing them to learn and adapt to their surroundings. They can also recognize and interact with humans in natural ways. This enables them to perform complex tasks such as dancing, singing, and acting and interact with guests in a personalized way. Disney is still developing its AI robots, but the company has already released plans to use them in its theme parks and resorts. This could lead to a new era of entertainment that is more immersive and interactive than ever before. Imagine a world where you can interact with your favorite Disney characters in a lifelike way or experience a new ride tailored to your interests. Disney's AI robots have the potential to make these dreams a reality. One of the key ways that Disney's AI robots work is through reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of ML that allows agents to learn how to behave in an environment by trial and error. The agent is rewarded for actions that lead to desired outcomes and penalized for actions that lead to undesired outcomes. Over time, the agent learns to take actions that maximize its rewards. This is how Disney's AI robots learn to perform complex tasks such as walking, dancing, and interacting with guests. Another important aspect of Disney's AI robots is their ability to recognize and interact with humans in natural ways. This is achieved through a combination of AI and ML algorithms. For example, robots use computer vision algorithms to identify people and objects in their environment. They also use natural language processing algorithms to understand and respond to human speech. Disney's AI robots can provide guests with a more immersive and interactive experience by combining AI and ML algorithms. For example, the robots can create new attractions and experiences tailored to each guest's needs and interests. Disney's AI robots are capable of many impressive things. They can perform complex tasks such as dancing, singing, and acting. They can also interact with guests in a personalized way. This has the potential to create new and innovative experiences for park visitors. Here are some specific examples of what Disney's AI robots can do. They can perform complex dance routines, including jumps, spins, and lifts. They can sing in multiple languages and even harmonize with human singers. They can act in shows and movies, convincingly portraying various emotions. They can recognize and interact with individual guests, remembering their names and preferences. They can answer questions and provide information about Disney parks and attractions. They can help guests to find their way around the parks and make reservations. They can even provide entertainment, such as telling jokes and playing games. Disney is still developing its AI robots, but the company has already released plans to use them in its theme parks and resorts. For example, Disney has announced that it will be using AI robots to create a new interactive experience at its Star Wars Galaxy's Edge attraction. In this experience, guests will be able to interact with AI robots that are disguised as Star Wars characters. Disney's AI robots have the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry. By creating more immersive and interactive experiences, Disney can attract new visitors and keep them returning for more. The future of Disney's AI robots is very bright. The company is still in the early stages of development, but it has already released plans to use AI robots in its theme parks and resorts. This could lead to a new era of entertainment that is more immersive and interactive than ever before. Here are some specific ways that Disney's AI robots could be used in the future. Personalized guest experiences. AI robots could create customized guest experiences. For example, a robot could greet guests by name and ask them about their interests. The robot could then recommend rides, attractions, and shows the guest will likely enjoy. New and innovative entertainment experiences. AI robots could create new and innovative entertainment experiences. For example, a robot could perform a dance routine synchronized with the music and lighting. Or, a robot could act in a show tailored to the audience's interests. More interactive and immersive experiences. iRobots could be used to create more interactive and immersive experiences for guests. For example, a robot could lead guests on a theme park or resort tour. Or, a robot could play games and interact with guests naturally. Disney is also considering using iRobots in its other businesses, such as movie studios and television networks. For example, iRobots could be used to create realistic special effects for movies. Or iRobots could be used to create personalized content for viewers. Of course, there are some challenges that Disney will need to overcome before it can fully deploy iRobots in its businesses. One challenge is the cost of developing and maintaining iRobots. Another challenge is the potential for iRobots to be used for malicious purposes. However, Disney is committed to developing and using iRobots responsibly and ethically. The company has already established a set of guidelines for the use of iRobots. These guidelines ensure that iRobots are used to create positive experiences for guests and not for malicious purposes. Overall, the future of Disney's iRobots is very promising. The company can potentially revolutionize the entertainment industry with its iRobots. It will be exciting to see how Disney develops and uses these robots in the future. The ethical implications of Disney's iRobots. The development of Disney's iRobots raises several ethical questions. Here are a few of the most important ones. What happens if these robots become so intelligent that they are indistinguishable from humans? If Disney's iRobots become so intelligent that they are indistinguishable from humans, what rights should they have? Should they be considered legal persons? Should they be allowed to vote or hold public office? These are difficult questions that we will need to grapple with as AI technology continues to advance. What happens if Disney's iRobots are used for malicious purposes? Disney's iRobots could be used for various malicious purposes, such as surveillance, espionage, or even warfare. It is important to develop safeguards to prevent these robots from being used for harm. How can we ensure that Disney's iRobots are used for good and not for evil? Disney has a long history of using technology to create positive and enriching experiences for people. However, it is important to ensure that Disney's iRobots are used in a way that is consistent with this mission. This means developing ethical guidelines for developing and using these robots, and it means ensuring that they are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. In addition to these general ethical questions, several specific ethical concerns arise from the development of Disney's iRobots. For example, some people are concerned that Disney's iRobots could be used to create a new form of surveillance state. Others are concerned that the robots could be used to manipulate people's emotions or behavior. Still, others are concerned about the potential for Disney to create a new class of underprivileged workers responsible for operating and maintaining the robots. It is important to have a thoughtful and informed discussion about the ethical implications of Disney's iRobots. This technology can improve our lives in many ways, but it is also essential to be aware of the potential risks. By working together, we can ensure that Disney's iRobots are used for good and not evil. However, it is essential to note that some potential challenges and ethical implications are associated with using iRobots in the entertainment industry. For example, it is important to ensure that the robots are used in a way that is safe and respectful of guests. Additionally, it is important to consider the potential impact of iRobots on jobs in the entertainment industry. Overall, Disney's new iRobots are a promising development with the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry. However, being aware of their use's potential challenges and ethical implications is essential. Here are some specific details about the potential benefits and drawbacks of using Disney's iRobots. Potential benefits: more immersive and interactive experiences for park visitors, new and innovative forms of entertainment, increased efficiency and productivity, reduced costs. Potential drawbacks: safety concerns, ethical concerns about the use of iRobots to interact with humans, potential job displacement. It is important to weigh the potential benefits and drawbacks carefully before deciding how to use iRobots in the entertainment industry. It is also important to involve stakeholders such as employees, guests, and the public in decision-making. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on Disney's new iRobots. These robots are truly amazing, and they have the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry. If you liked this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more tech and future content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.